Welcome back to the real crypto space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Uniswap version 3.
This is not financial advice, and we'll be going through cryptocurrencies that will potentially boom and upcoming news in cryptocurrency space.
Also, I just want to say sorry for not recording for about a week or so. We've been having some serious technical difficulties, but from now on it will be back to normal schedule, so nothing to worry about there. Also, if you're new, please make sure you press this big red button and press subscribe, and please like this video as well if you haven't already. Thank you.
Okay, so Uniswap is an exchange where you can buy and sell cryptos as well. And the good thing about it is that it's decentralized, so you're in control of your money. And the thing is, this coin started off really small, and it was known as a speculative coin. And now it's kind of been established in the crypto space, and more people are getting involved with liquidity in the Uniswap space and buying and selling pools as well. As you can see, the market cap is around 17.9 billion, so almost 18 billion, which shows that this is a very big cryptocurrency. And the 24 volume was 746 million. So as you can see, there's a lot of people buying and selling this cryptocurrency. And also, because this is an exchange, you're going to see a lot of people within that exchange buying and selling too. However, the high Ethereum fees have stopped people from buying this cryptocurrency, and it's caused a lot of people to look down on it. However, today we're going to be going through the V3 news, which is very bullish for the cryptocurrency, and yeah, stay tuned.
So you may not have known, but Uniswap V3 has actually been in progress since version 2 came out, literally like straight away, which was done in May last year. And the main difference between version 1 and version 2 was that V1 only allowed you to create AMM pools consisting of ERC20 tokens and Ethereum. Whereas V2 lets you create any AMM pair in Ethereum at all. So Uniswap V3 will mainly focus on featuring concentrated liquidity, capital efficiency, active liquidity, range orders, non-fungible liquidity, flexible fees, and a license. And the flexible fees is really needed actually because Uniswap is kind of known for the mad gas fees for Ethereum on Uniswap.
So there's different times where the gas fees can be high. Most people tend to buy and sell at not peak times, so you tend to see them at night time, around midnight. And you can also choose your gas fees prices. And as you can see, Ethereum 2.0 will potentially reduce the gas fees, but we're just waiting on more updates on that. So overall, we are very bullish on Uniswap and Ethereum, because Ethereum is going to play a big role on the Uniswap network.
So Uniswap version 3 now offers different liquidity pools. There are three different types. So you have the 0.05%, the 0.3%, and the 1%. The fees reflect the risk of the liquidity pools taking, providing liquidity to expected volatility. So for stable coins and correlated pairs, users can enjoy a lower fee as liquidity pools. So as you know, the dominance between Bitcoin and Ethereum have been dropping recently. It's gone below. Bitcoin has gone below 50% in the first time in 3 years. They're itching to release version 3 of Uniswap, which is out on the 5th of May. They're doing this because of it slipping, because I know loads of people are putting money into altcoins at the moment, and PancakeSwap are also releasing a version 3, and SushiSwap are also going to be releasing their version 1. So all of these exchanges are trying to lower the fees as much as they can and open new liquidity pools.
Okay, so as you can see, the market cap has increased by over 10%, and to be honest with you, there's a big future for Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, and all the other swaps there are out there, and all the decentralized exchanges such as 1inch, and yeah. Overall, I'll give this a 8.5 out of 10 project, just because there are many decentralized exchanges that are smaller, such as 1inch, and offer the same features. However, I would say that all these exchanges, such as PancakeSwap and 1inch, all allow the same features but have a smaller market cap, so it'd be easier for them to scale compared to Uniswap. And as you can see, the price has been the same for about 2 months, and it's not really been changing much. So I would definitely say 1inch or a smaller cap coin would be easier to scale compared to Uniswap.
So this is now the end of the video. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please make sure you press that subscribe button, like, and comment as well. Also, if you if you want us to make any future videos on a certain coin that you want us to do that in-depth video on, then please just comment down the coin below, and we might potentially do a video on it. So yeah, thank you very much. Have a lovely rest of your day.